Hi CMA students, good news for all of you. Yes, you have seen the title, and in the title I wrote International Opportunities for CMA students. Yes, now getting job for Indian CMA across the world has become more easy. Yes, our CMAs are talented. Yes, we have a lot of knowledge. But then it should be recognized. And this time, the news is regarding recognition. Our syllabus, our qualification has been recognized by UK NARIC. Now, you would have not understood, I know. UK NARIC is United Kingdom's qualification recognition agency. That means it is a government agency which recognizes the qualification. Still you did not understand. No problem. I will help you to understand. Suppose example, I complete BCom here and I go to America or UK and say I did BCom. They will not understand because there the names are different. They use some different words. We use certain different words. Now how to match? There comes this UK NARIC. So what happened? Our international wing of CMA Institute had talks with UK NARIC, and after due examination of our study materials, curriculum, our qualification, our professionalism, everything, UK NARIC certified us, and it is the world's renowned agency for qualification recognition. Now, for you getting job in UK, London, Australia, New Zealand, America has become much more easier than before. So, our institute did their job. They recognized our institute. The great part of this is that not only CMA qualified is recognized, even somebody who completed CMA Inter is also recognized by UK NARIC. So if you complete CMA Inter also, you can go to London, England, you can go to Britain and work there. That's the good news for all of you. Now, how to do? One thing. I will tell you that there is something called as comparability certificate. Yes, you have to upload your CMA documents, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, so many details, whatever the uknaric.org.uk website asks. Once you upload all that documents, then they will do due diligence, they will check everything, and if they find everything is okay, then at your home address they will send a comparability certificate. Now this certificate you have to show to the employers in UK, to the employers in America or Australia for getting a job. If you just take Indian CMA certificate, nobody will recognize you because they don't know what is the real value of it. Once we get comparability certificate from UK NARIC, then they will understand. Even if you don't show you CMA certificate, they don't have any problem when you are going to get a job. You have to present before them the comparability certificate given by UK NARIC. And it is not just an agency which is a small agency on the nook and corner here and there. It is international agency, it is government agency, and it is an agency of UK. So lot of value you are going to get, or I am also going to get. Now last thing, institution have done their job. Now it's your job. Complete the course fast. Put lot of effort, and so that you can get lot of earning opportunities. CMA Inter is considered as bachelor's in UK now, and CMA Final is considered as master's. And additional good news for you, it is not just UK certification for us, but it is a collaborative certification of UK and UAE. That means if you are planning to get into any Arab countries also for jobs, this certification by UK, comparability certification from UK, will help you. Now, till now, UK NARIC has certified 5,000 plus courses. Across the world, 5,000 is really less. And if our institute is recognized, great. And one more thing, once institution got recognized, now you have to apply to the website and get comparability certificate at your doorstep. Yes, application has to be done online and you will get a certificate at your doorstep. You have to pay certain fees to UK NARIC. And once you get it, you can apply anywhere in the world for getting a job and you will be placed in any MNC across the globe. So congratulations, cheers to the international wing and our central council members and all those who have put the efforts. It's a great future for all of us. Let us work together for knowledge and develop skills so that the brand CMA India is spread, recognized across the world, not because of institutional efforts only, but because of our skill and talent. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next video.